Tired of complicated diets? You've probably heard about intermittent fasting. But which method is right for you? Let's break it down. We are going to compare 3 popular fasting schedules to see which one truly aligns with your body's natural rhythm and your social life. First, let's talk about a model I call Dinner-Centric Fasting. This is where you might skip breakfast and lunch and have your main meal late at night. Socially, it's super convenient to never miss a dinner party. But metabolically, it's a disaster. Our bodies are just not designed to process a large meal late at night, delaying all your calories until the evening goes against your body's internal clock. It can disrupt your sleep and mess with your metabolism. So, despite its social perks, I have to give this model a highly discouraged rating. The risks simply outweigh the benefits. So, what's the best alternative? Meet early time-restricted feeding, or ETRF. This is the gold standard for metabolic health. With ETRF, you eat within an 8-hour window, typically from 8 in the morning to 4 in the afternoon. This perfectly syncs your meals with your body's peak metabolic efficiency. It maximizes your insulin sensitivity, making it fantastic for weight management and for people dealing with In traditional Chinese medicine terms, you're eating when your yang energy is at its highest. But I know what you're thinking. What about family dinners? What about my social life? It's a valid concern. And here's how you can adapt. Make lunch your main, hearty meal. Go all out between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. Then, at dinner time, you can shift your focus from the food to the company. Enjoy a small, light, and easily digestible snack like some veggies or a little protein. Avoid heavy carbs and fats. This way, you get the social connection without disrupting your metabolism. You're there for the form, not the substance. Now, what if finishing your meals by 4 p.m. is just not realistic for your lifestyle? There's a middle ground, and it's called standard time-restricted feeding. This is the popular 16-8 model, where you might eat between noon and 8 p.m. This allows you to have a normal dinner as long as you finish by 8. While it's not quite as powerful as the early schedule, it's a huge improvement over late-night eating. It's a great, balanced compromise for most healthy adults. The key is to make that dinner a smart one. Keep it lower in carbohydrates. Focus on quality protein and avoid high-fat foods. This helps minimize the negative impact of eating later in the evening. So let's quickly recap. First, we have early time-restricted feeding, eating from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. It has extremely high metabolic benefits and is ideal for anyone serious about improving their metabolic health. Its social feasibility is lower, but manageable. Second, there's the standard 16-8 schedule, eating from noon to 8 p.m. It offers medium to high metabolic benefits and is much easier to fit into a typical social life. This is a great starting point for most people. Finally, we have the dinner-focused approach, eating late in the evening. While it's socially very easy, its metabolic impact is negative. It's not a method I can recommend. A special note for frail or elderly individuals. Extended fasting isn't for you. Your focus should be on getting enough nutrition to prevent muscle loss. If you do fast, keep it short and always have a light, healthy meal before bed. Ultimately, the best diet is the one that works for your body and your life. Understanding how meal timing affects your metabolism is the key to making an informed choice. I hope this helps you find the right balance for your health goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health insights.